Oh, hey! All right, well, it has been a minute since I did my last video, and that's because, well, I made a whole human. This is Natalia Lily Walker. Okay, well, it's kind of hot out here, so let's go inside and chat, and I can show you the latest. Okay, well, it's definitely a lot cooler in here. You're gonna probably hear Natalia in the background. She did not want to be part of this video, but she is crawling around. I'm gonna show you before and after shots of a particular mobile we did in Roseville. It was absolutely hideous. You will see these photos, and then we'll go through it with a video walkthrough, and it is absolutely stunning. I hope you enjoy. Hey y'all, I'm here at 69 Hancock in Roseville. This is a gorgeous double wide. So we have this beautiful, beautiful brand new kitchen with brand new appliances and this extraordinary flooring. Look at all that beautiful storage, dishwasher, sink. New windows throughout, dual pane windows, making it energy efficient. I love that vaulted ceiling there, huh? Then we have the laundry area. Let me step back so you can see what we've got going on here and give you some perspective. Okay. And this great HVAC system, brand new. Good brand, Coleman. Some lights on here, and then we redid this bathroom. That's not too shabby. Some Pfister handles. This is a senior park. This place is a beauty. All the mobiles look like single family homes. I'll show you the outside in a bit. So this is a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2 full bath. Nice walk-in closet in here. Pretty nice. Some extra storage over here. Your towels. And then in here, a nice, very spacious bathroom. Some more storage area for your towels. And we have some high-end handles made by Pfister. There you go. Let me show you outside. Let's look out here. So unfortunately, we put new grass down. However, the sprinkler system was turned off. But it will be revived and come back to life. It's got a beautiful setup here with the garage, nice big garage, clean looking. Look at that. And then it leads out into this great backyard area with this nice seating, shaded, covered seating area. This cute little area. You've got your nature, brand new HVAC system, new roof, just beautiful. I do say so myself. Okay, there you have it. 69 Hancock in Roseville.